Samsung is about to shake things up in a big way with the upcoming Galaxy S25 Ultra. Are you tired of watching your phone struggle to keep up with your multitasking or gaming? Well, the S25 Ultra might just be the game changer we've all been waiting for. Stick around to find out why this could be the ultimate upgrade over the S24 Ultra and how it might finally bridge the gap between Samsung, OnePlus, and Google. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you found this video informative and leave a comment below. We love hearing from you. Let's jump right into it. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to feature 16 gigabytes of RAM. Yes, you heard that right. A massive leap from the S24 Ultra's 12 gigabytes, and it's setting the stage to go toe-to-toe with the OnePlus 12 and the Google Pixel 9 Pro, which already boast 16 gigabytes RAM variants. But why does this matter? Well, if you've ever had your phone freeze up while trying to juggle apps, you'll appreciate the extra horsepower. Now, before you run out to pre-order, let's break down the details. The well-known leaker Ice Universe took to X, formerly Twitter, to confirm that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will indeed have a 16 gigabytes RAM version, but here's the catch. We don't yet know if this is across all storage models or if you'll need to go big with a 512 gigabytes or even 1 terabytes version to snag that extra RAM. Here's where things get interesting. Just like Google's Pixel 9 Pro, some of this RAM could be reserved for AI tasks. So even though you're getting 16 gigabytes, a portion of that might be dedicated to making your phone smarter, which sounds cool, but it might mean a little less RAM for your day-to-day use. See, looking for a way to stay secure online? Try CyberGhost VPN. With over 9,000 servers worldwide, it offers lightning-fast connections and top-tier encryption to protect your privacy. Plus, you can unlock streaming content from anywhere. Use my link to get it now with 83% off and 2 months free with 2 years plan. CyberGhost, the perfect VPN for your digital freedom. That said, with how fast AI tech is evolving, having a chunk of RAM dedicated to keeping things smooth might be a pretty smart move. And it's not just the Ultra that's getting a RAM boost. Rumors are swirling about the S25 and S25 Plus models too. Right now, the base Galaxy S24 starts with just 8 gigabytes, which, let's be honest, feels a bit stingy in 2024. Next year, we're likely to see the S25 jump to 12 gigabytes RAM, matching the non-Pro Pixel 9. As for the S25 Plus, it already has 12 gigabytes, but whether Samsung will bump it up to 16 gigabytes like the Ultra is still up in the air. But wait, don't forget about the competition. OnePlus has been absolutely crushing it with their 16 gigabytes RAM offerings, including the OnePlus 12 and their foldable model, the OnePlus Open. Samsung might be playing catch-up here, but with this massive RAM upgrade, the S25 Ultra could finally close the performance gap between these major players. So, is the Galaxy S25 Ultra shaping up to be the phone of your dreams? Between the 16 gigabyte RAM upgrade, possible AI integration, and Samsung's usual bells and whistles, it's definitely one to keep on your radar. And with the series likely dropping in early 2025, you've got time to save up and get ready for what could be the ultimate flagship battle of the year. Let me know in the comments, are you hyped for the S25 Ultra, or are you sticking with OnePlus or Google? And don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of the latest leaks and tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.